how to delete, cancel, or remove your Exness account. First things first is just pull up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. But on this video, I'm currently using Google Chrome. Head straight into Exness official website and of course log in into the account that you'd like to be deleted. And here you should be able to see options at the left portion of your screen. Hover your mouse into settings and then go into security. And from here, you'll be redirected into your account settings, but you'll just have to scroll all the way down till you find this option here that says account security and termination. And here, just go into terminate Exness personal area. But before doing so, take note that this action cannot be reversed. Click on that and then hit on continue. Choose on the specific option why you would like to or why you would like your account to be deleted, and then just simply hit on continue. And that's it. That's how you cancel, delete, or remove your account on Exness.